This video is on how to determine the angles between 0 degrees and 360 degrees that have the exact same tangent value. Now, a quick reminder that tangent is equal to your sine divided by cosine. So if we were looking at a unit circle, your sine is your y coordinate on the unit circle, and your cosine is your x coordinate on the unit circle. So therefore, tangent is equal to your y coordinate divided by your x coordinate. Okay, let's look at an example here. So this point P, right here, this point P is associated with an angle here of 25 degrees. Its y coordinate is 0.42, or sine of 25 degrees is 0.42. Its x coordinate is 0.91, or cosine of 25 degrees is 0.91. And so therefore, my tangent will equal your y coordinate divided by your x coordinate. Now, where else on this unit circle will it have that exact same tangent value? Well, we need to find a point where the x and the y's are related to these two x and y's. The way we can do that is if I were to draw a line from P through my origin, through the center, over to the other side. This other point over here, which I'm going to call T, the height of T, or the y coordinate of T, has that exact same number as over here, but just negative. So here it was positive 0.42. Over here it is negative 0.42. For point P, your x coordinate was 0.91. For point T, it is the same, but just negative 0.91. Now, since tangent is equal to these two divided by each other, or these two divided by each other, and they have the exact same number, except that these are positive and these are negative and negative, the tangent for point P and for point T will be the same. And that's because positive divide positive is the same as negative divide negative, or will have the same value. Now, how do I find out what is the distance, what is the angle for T? So T's angle goes from here all the way over to this line here. So the way you do this is by figuring out this distance that goes from here to here. And since that's basically a straight line, that is going to be 180 degrees. So if this right here is 25 degrees, and then the black line to the black line is, and the black line to the black line is 180 degrees. Therefore, the distance from here to here is equal, from here to here is equal to your arm. Let me try that one more time. Distance from here to here is going to equal your green plus your purple, or 25 plus 180, or 205 degrees. So my tangent of 25 degrees is equal to my tangent of 205 degrees. Let's do another example. So let's say we have point P. Let me use the same colors here. Okay. So we have point P over here, and the angle starting here all the way to that line is 305 degrees. In order to find the tangent of 305 degrees, we could take our y coordinate divided by our x coordinate, or take our sine divided by our cosine. So we want to find another point on this graph which will have the exact same tangent. So we're going to do relatively the same thing. I will draw a line starting at P through my origin, through my middle, until I get to the other side. That's right about here. Yep. All right. And this point over here, which I shall call T. Point T and point P have the exact same tangent. So what I'm going to do is I need to find what is the angle from here to here. That is my angle that's associated with point T. And I know going from here until here, that's a straight line, so that is 180 degrees. I know that my green is 305, and the green is equal to this orange plus the purple right there. So to just find out what this orange is, you can do that 305 degrees minus the 180 degrees, or 125 degrees. And once again, that's basically because T and P, this vertical here is negative 0.82. This right here is positive 0.82. The horizontal over here is 0.85. And going in the other direction for T, it's the same thing, but since we went to the left, that is negative 0.85. A negative 0.82 divided by a positive 0.85 So that's going to equal negative something, which will also be the same as positive 0.82 divided by this negative. Negative divide positive has the same value, same sign, as positive divide negative. So long story short, your tangent of 305 degrees is equal to your tangent of 125 degrees.